Place the bearings on its own place. There is a mark on it. You can't go wrong. And put some oil on the bearings after the installation. Now we unpack the crankshaft. We check the journal for any uneven surfaces. Please pay attention. This is very important on the bearing and the camshaft to have very smooth mirror-like surfaces. Otherwise you're gonna burn your engine. After that you need to use high pressure air to clean the crank and the oil hose. Please pay attention to the oil hose. You usually find some rubbish in them. You don't need them. After placing the crank inside the cylinder, you need to turn it to make sure the oil gonna cover all the journals. Then you need to do the same with the cam covers. You insert the bearings and put some oils on them and make sure they are clean and all your parts are handy to be fastened. To make sure that the bearings are in on place, just knock them with a hammer and a screwdriver, so we make sure they are all in place. Now it's time to place the crank covers. We put the crank covers on the place it was before we opened the engine, so each cover is for its own place. We cannot change them. And we put the cover on, we knock them slowly, not harden, and put the screws back and torque them. check that if we have done the crank installation correctly. After we put all the screws on, we need all the covers on, we need to turn the crank and it should move freely. If you have any problem, if it doesn't move freely, so you've done something wrong. Now it's time to use your torque meter to make sure you fasten the screws hard enough. Obviously, any car, any sensitive part of the car should be torqued to manufacturer's recommendation. And for BMW, this model, this would be 55 lbs on foot, so 55 pounds on foot, square foot. This is it for today. So next time we are going to continue this engine rebuild to the end. Thank you.